awesome.
Donk, donk, donk.
Oh, come on. You've had worse than that. Okay, you ready? I want you to get it when it's going up in the air, too.
It didn't take much. I didn't even have to move the phone at all. That was easy.
I shouldn't be laughing. I should not be laughing.
Yeah, because your
You
shot's
be in a bad situation.
Brady's not even coming near you yet.
There it goes.
Oh, yeah. It went that way, though.
That light was in the river. We did it. Uh-oh, I lost my key. I broke it.
Bring it back, Brady.
You, John.
Oh, I gotta go up and give Andy some relief.
I'm going to end on a good note. I'm not going to put this happen.
I should do it.
All right. I'm done messing around. Ready to get.
Yeah, especially we've seen the last couple.
What did it do?
It landed in the pond over there. Sean, look at the ring right there. It's in the pond.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on now. It's not good.
Oh, God, that was funny. I'll pay you $100 if you can do that again. That was worth it.
Doc don't know how close it was from getting in again. Thinks it's safe on that side and it's still almost
It
got
hit
it.
the alligator. It hit the alligator. Oh, we hurt somebody. Look at the horse. The horse is freaking out.
Oh man, that is crushed. There's only one better than that one. You want to see it? It's right here. Apparently.
I broke another damn teeth.
Oh, yeah. Another key. What happened to me? I don't know. It's like Sean took my swing and I took his. At least we're going to get them all back. Hey, Mark, now you're hitting them.
Alright. I'm done losing everybody's golf balls. Jeff, you don't have to go very far for right now. Case in point.
It's a teabagger.
Oh, what the fuck?
I don't know what happened to me. Oh, that's better.
There you go.
How the fuck does it start at wall? You keep climbing half.
That thing was at that railroad tracks right there. Oh, I wanted to leave on that one. Thanks, Mark.
You want to do this pink one? Oh.
That's out there.
That's across the track.
It was right up on the big tree there.
Yeah.
Did you get those?